Hi everybody, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to do a quick drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw an Octopus, because yes you can draw an octopus, and today I'm going to show you how to do that. So all you're going to need today is a piece of paper and something to draw with. Today I'm going to be using a dry erase marker and my dry erase board so that you can see it well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off by drawing an upside down teardrop. A pretty big one, just like this. Now, if that seems difficult for you, turn your paper over and draw a big teardrop and then turn your paper around. It's that easy. Then, the next step is we're going to make some lines coming off of this teardrop. Follow me. We're going to start up top here with a little short line. Then, a little bit of a longer line. Then a little bit of a longer line, but this one, turn it down. Another line and curl it up. Another line and curl it the other way. Another one curled up. Another one curled down. And then another little short guy turned up. What we are doing is we are making an octopus, so we need to make sure that we have 8 legs because all octopuses have 8 legs. So let's double check and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, they're all there. Now, right now, they don't look much like legs. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our same marker or pencil and we're going to go back and we're going to make another line right along the other line that we just made and then loop it so they connect. I'll show you again. Another line right along the line you already drew, then loop it to connect. A line along the same line you already drew and loop it. And you're going to do that with all 8 of these legs. Take your time. If some of them are a little bit bigger or smaller, it doesn't matter. It's okay. If you want to make your curly legs in different places than I made mine, that's okay too. So we're off to a great start. We have an octopus body. We have all of its legs. And now it's the fun part. We get to decorate. So we're going to start off by giving this octopus a little bit of personality by drawing 2 big circles and then color in some eyeballs. And then think, how do you want your octopus to feel? I'm happy because I'm with all of you, so I'm going to make my octopus very smiley. And then I'm going to turn my paper on its edge, and I'm going to make 3 C's right on his head. Now, it doesn't look like much when you're just thinking of making 3 C's, but look at what it does to decorate that octopus's face. Now, you can call this done. You can say, I am done with this octopus. Or you could go back and add some circles for its tentacles. See how easy that is? We're just making little circles, but look at how realistic it's making our octopus look. You could go back and add some seaweed. Look, it's just big triangles. Seaweed. If you have an octopus that has a lot to say, give it some bubbles. Also, just little circles. And the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to label our picture. So we're going to think about the sounds that we hear in the name Octopus. I hear the beginning, ah, 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 O, k, k, C, t, 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 oct, O, another O, p, 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 U, s, octopus, S, octopus. Ladies and gentlemen, you have just made an octopus. Like I told you, yes, you can make an octopus because it's just a matter of making some circles and some lines. And it's a lot of fun too. I really hope that you take the time to draw your own octopus Add some color if you want. You know I will. And I'll see you next time when we play another game of Yes You Can Draw That Thing. See you later. Bye.